Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to What's Next, where we break down the coolest tech trends in ways that won't make your brain hurt. Today, we're diving into the world of responsible AI. Buckle up, because this is gonna be a fun ride. So what exactly is responsible AI? Well, imagine your favorite robot sidekick from the movies, but instead of going rogue and trying to take over the world, it's actually a good guy that plays by the rules. That's responsible AI in a nutshell. It's artificial intelligence that's designed to be fair, safe, and transparent, always keeping us humans in the loop. It's like giving AI a strong moral compass and a really good conscience. Now, you might be wondering, why do we even need responsible AI? Great question. Think about it this way. We want AI to be super helpful, but we also don't want it causing any trouble. Responsible AI is all about avoiding bias and discrimination. We don't want AI making unfair decisions, like rejecting your loan application just because it doesn't like your taste in music. It's also a champion of privacy, making sure your personal data stays, well, personal. And let's be real, nobody wants to wake up to headlines about robots taking over the world, right? Responsible AI builds trust, so we can actually feel good about using AI in our daily lives. Plus, it keeps everything nice and legal, no AI shenanigans allowed. So how does this magical responsible AI actually work? Let's break it down. First up, we've got fairness. This means the AI treats everyone equally, no favorites, no prejudices. It's like a super impartial judge, but way faster and with better memory. Next, there's transparency. You know how magicians never reveal their secrets? Well, responsible AI is the opposite. It's all about showing its work, so we can understand how and why it made a decision. No more computer says no without explanation. Accountability is another big one. This means humans are always in charge. We're not letting AI run wild and make big decisions on its own. It's more like a really smart assistant that gives great advice but lets you make the final call. Safety is crucial too. Before any AI system goes live, it gets tested more thoroughly than a spacecraft. We're talking bug checks, mistake proofing, and making sure it can't accidentally cause harm. It's like child-proofing, but for super intelligent computer systems. Last but not least, privacy. Responsible AI respects your personal space. It's not going to go snooping through your data or sharing your secrets. Think of it as an AI with really good manners. It knows not to gossip about what it sees or hears. Now, let's look at some real-world examples to make this all a bit more concrete. Imagine an AI system that helps doctors diagnose diseases. That's awesome, right? But with responsible AI, that system always gets a second opinion from a human doctor before any big decisions are made. It's teamwork at its finest. Or how about facial recognition technology? We've all heard some scary stories about that, but responsible AI ensures it follows super strict privacy rules. It's not going to be tracking your every move or selling info about your shopping habits. And those AI chatbots we all love to hate. With responsible AI principles, they're designed to be helpful without ever spilling your personal beans. They're like the world's best secret keepers. So how do the tech wizards actually build responsible AI? It starts with diverse teams. By bringing together people from all walks of life, they can spot and fix biases that a more homogeneous group might miss. It's like having a really varied group of taste testers to make sure a new flavor of ice cream is delicious for everyone. These AI systems also go through regular checkups and audits. It's like taking your car for a service, but instead of checking the oil, they're making sure the AI is still behaving ethically and fairly. Before any AI system gets the green light, it goes through a ton of testing and has to follow clear rules and ethics guidelines. It's kind of like getting a new toy approved for kids. Safety first. Here is a fun way to think about it. Responsible AI is like an AI with a driver's license. Just like how we don't let people loose on the roads without proper training, rules, and tests, We make sure AI has all the right checks and balances before it's road safe for real-world use. The big takeaway here is that responsible AI equals AI you can actually trust. It's not about creating scary, super intelligent machines that'll outsmart us all. It's about making AI that's helpful, fair, and safe for everyone. It's the difference between a sci-fi nightmare and a tech utopia where AI makes our lives easier without any of the downsides. So what do you think? Are you feeling a bit more clued up on responsible AI now? We'd love to hear your thoughts. What questions do you have about AI? Drop them in the comments below. Maybe we'll tackle your burning questions in our next video. And hey, if you enjoyed this little journey into the world of responsible AI, why not hit that like button? It helps us know we're on the right track. And if you want to stay up to date with all things tech and AI, smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We've got tons more exciting content coming your way on the What's Next YouTube channel. Remember, the future of AI is bright, and with responsible AI, it's looking even brighter. We're not just building smart machines, we're building smart machines we can trust. And that's pretty darn cool if you ask me. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video. Stay curious, stay informed, and keep asking those big questions about our AI-powered future. This is What's Next, signing off.